How to create CRA account online. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. Launch your preferred browser and search for CRA account sign up. Select on the option CRA sign in services. You'll be redirected to a home page similar to this. To create your very own CRA account, at the top tap on the sign in button. So here's the thing. You cannot create a CRA account online in the sense of setting up a new user profile from scratch. The CRA, that stands for Canada Revenue Agency, issues account to pre-registered businesses or individuals who have filed tax returns in the past. So here how it actually works. Firstly, you can register for a CRA My account using your social insurance number, date of birth, and information from your return. This allows you to access your tax information and file future returns electronically. If you are new to Canada and have not filed a return yet, you will need a file to return first before registering for your account. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.